Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question why does your VIVO TWS S3 not charging. Firstly, you need to check if you have a foil, especially if you buy a new earbud. Check do you have a foil at the charging contacts and remove it. Charging contacts located at the bottom of each earbud. Also you can check it for the charging case. Next, I recommended to clean these charging contacts, so you can apply isopropyl alcohol on them and then clean it with a brush. If you don't know how, at this channel we have video how to clean these earbuds. Now, if it also didn't help you, I recommended also check your charging cable and your adapter. Maybe a problem with this one. Just change it and check. And also you can check a charging port at the bottom of the earbuds. Is everything okay with this port? And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.